Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. Here to go real quick, tell you how to install a furnace filter in a furnace. When you purchase an air filter, they normally come with an arrow pointing the direction of the airflow. It's showing that the media is pushing the air against. In this case, this has a cardboard and a metal reinforcing. That's giving the media some strength. So as the air flows into it, it's pushing the media against the grid work. So on this furnace, we have a cold air return. It comes down at the base, almost always is where the filter is. And then the air is coming in from the house, gets filtered, gets pushed the media against the reinforcing, and then the air goes into the furnace, it heats it, conditions it, sends it up to the house. On the filter, all the filters have airflow. The furnace filters have ridges and reinforcement on the downwind side. So as the air blows against the media, it pushes the media against the metal reinforcing. We want the arrow to point the same as the direction of the airflow. The airflow is coming down and into the furnace. So we can take out the old filter, we put in the new filter, the air is pointing this way, the air will come down, go through the filter, pick up most of the dust, go through the furnace, back into the house. A lot of people get a little confused, this just makes it easy for you.
Quick tip from MrHardware.com.